So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss effect of catalyst on the rate of reaction. So now before we discuss about the effect of catalyst on the rate of reaction, so what is catalyst? So catalyst क्या है? Catalyst are those substances which alter the rate of the reaction without undergoing any change in the reaction. So क्या होगा? Catalyst can what changes the rate of the chemical reaction, but in the chemical reaction they does not undergo any changes. ठीक है? So catalysts are those substances which what alters the rate of the reaction. So कोई एक chemical reaction में क्या होगा? It can changes the rate, but क्या होगा? It does not undergo any changes in the chemical reaction. So let us consider a chemical reaction. So let us consider a chemical reaction. So what is the chemical reaction? Decomposition of KClO3, that is what? Potassium chlorate. ठीक है? So KClO3. So in the first case, the reaction takes place without any catalyst. So product क्या मिलेगा? KCl plus what? Oxygen gas. In the second case, if the reaction takes place in presence of catalyst, that is MnO2, product will be same. but इसके लिए क्या होगा? Time period of the reaction is less. So the second reaction takes place easily and it will take very short period of time to complete the what reaction. इसका मीनिंग क्या हो गया? This is a catalyst. So catalyst का फंक्शन क्या होगा? Catalyst can what increases the rate of the reaction for this one. ठीक है? So now अभी देखो. So this is what energy, this is what reaction coordinates. So this is the what reactant and this is the what product. So what will be the graphical representation? The reaction takes place like this and this is the what activated complex, that is intermediate. ठीक है? And the energy difference between the activated complex and reactant is known as what? Activation energy, as we have discussed in our earlier classes. ठीक है? So this is the reaction in absence of catalyst. In absence of catalyst. So इस reaction में क्या हुआ है? Catalyst is not used. So when the reaction takes place in presence of catalyst, so this is the reaction in presence of catalyst. In presence of catalyst, then what is happening? The path of the reaction is what? Decreases. The path of the reaction is decreases, and simultaneously क्या होगा? The activation energy of the reaction decreases. ठीक है? So what is the function of catalyst? Catalyst increases the what? Rate of the reaction by decreasing the what? Reaction path and activation energy. So catalyst का function क्या होगा? Catalyst decreases reaction path and activation energy. and activation energy. So this is the first point you have to remember about the catalyst. So what is point number 2? Catalyst does not changes the Gibbs free energy of a reaction. So question में आ सकता है, one mark question. Does the catalyst can change the Gibbs free energy of a reaction? No. Catalyst cannot change the what? Gibbs free energy of the reaction. It can only change the what? Activation energy. So what is point number 3? Catalyst does not changes the equilibrium constant of a reaction. Equilibrium constant of a reaction. So these are the what? 3 points you have to remember about the catalyst. Okay? So this is the what? Effect of catalyst on the rate of reaction. So now after this, the last topic of your chapter chemical kinetics. So what is the last topic? Collision theory. Collision theory. So collision theory, that is developed by William Lewis. Okay. So now let us consider a reaction A plus B. Say A plus B are the what? Reactant. Okay. A and B reacts. That is what? There is a collision between the reactant. So after the collision, it will give a what? Intermediate. That is what? Activated complex. AC, activated complex. Okay. And this activated complex dissociates to give the product. So this is the what? Pathway of a chemical reaction. So क्या होगा? Reactant molecule will collide to give the what? Activated complex. Then the activated complex dissociates to give the what? Product. So now, before we discuss about the collision theory, you have to know about what? Collision frequency. Collision frequency, generally known as what? Z. Okay. So what is collision frequency? It is the number of collision between the reactant molecule per unit time and per unit volume. So what is collision frequency? Collision frequency is the what? Number of collision between the reactant molecule per unit time and per unit volume. Okay? So in terms of collision theory or in terms of collision frequency, how can you explain the rate? So according to Arrhenius theory, so according to Arrhenius theory क्या था? Rate constant K is equal to what? A into what? E to the power minus EA by RT. ठीक है? And in terms of collision theory, क्या होगा? Rate constant K is equal to what? Z. That means what? Collision frequency for the reaction. हमने reaction क्या लिया था? AB, e to the power minus EA by what? RT. So this is the what? Rate constant in terms of collision frequency. Okay? So what are the postulates of collision theory? Postulates of collision theory. Say A and B are the what reactants that gives the what product. So now when A and B react, then क्या होगा? There will be collision between the reactant A and reactant B. So now the question is, does all the collision between the reactant will give the product? Does all the collision between the reactants give the product? No. All the collision between the reactant does not give the product. The collision with what? Sufficient kinetic energy. The collision that involves sufficient kinetic energy. That is what? Threshold energy you get in physics. Threshold energy gives only the what? Product. So what is the first postulate? Not all the collision between the reactant molecule gives the product. सभी collision product नहीं देगा. ठीक है? So what type of collision gives the product? Collision with sufficient kinetic energy. That is what? Threshold energy. And proper orientation of reactant molecule gives the product. So collision with what? Sufficient kinetic energy, that is also known as what? Threshold energy, and proper orientation of the reactant molecule will what? Gives the product. So such type of collision is known as effective collision. So what is the statement that is given by collision theory? Only effective collision between the reactant molecules gives the product. Okay? So now there is a word, proper orientation. So what do you mean by proper orientation? So to discuss about the proper orientation, let us consider an example. So what is the example? Say this is what? Methyl bromide reacts with what? A nucleophile, that is hydroxide ion. It will give what? Methanol, CH3OH plus what? Br negative. So you will get this one in what? Part 2, that is haloalkane and haloarine. So this is the example of what? SN2 reaction. सब्स्टिट्यूशन, न्यूक्लियोफिलिक, बायोमोलिकुलर। ठीक है, अभी देखो दिस इज द जनरल रिएक्शन। तो इसका पाथवे कैसे होगा? से वी आर टेकिंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ टू पाथवे। सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वन? CH3 Br प्लस what OH नेगेटिव। ठीक है, सो इसमें क्या हो सकता है? CH3 Br OH नेगेटिव। सो दिस इज द what इंटरमीडिएट। ओके, सेकेंड वन में क्या होगा? सेकेंड वन में क्या होगा? CH3 Br प्लस OH नेगेटिव। तो इसमें क्या होगा? द हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन विल अटैक द कार्बन that is opposite to the what? Bromide ion. The hydroxide ion will attack the carbon that is opposite to the what? Bromide ion. So you can also write like this one. So then intermediate क्या मिलेगा? This is the what? Intermediate. So now which one will be what? Proper orientation and which one will be what? Improper orientation. इसमें क्या है? ब्रोमाइड। ब्रोमाइड is a large group. That is why hydroxide ion cannot enter to the carbon from this side. ठीक है? This is a large one. That is why OH negative cannot enter to the carbon or cannot attack the carbon through this side. So कहाँ से attack होगा? It will attack the carbon. That is what? Opposite side of bromide. This is the what? Proper orientation. And इसमें क्या हुआ है? Hydroxide ion attacks the what? Carbon from the same side of what? Bromide. So this is the what? Improper orientation. So only the what? Proper orientation can give the product. So यहाँ से क्या होगा? Bromide is lost. So finally you will get what? CH3OH. That is the product. So this is the example of what? Proper orientation. And we will discuss this one in part 2, SN2 reaction. So with this we have completed the what? Theory part of chemical kinetics. So we will take one more class in which we will discuss some problem. ठीक है? So thank you.